Let's start by prepping another of our ads ready for Tranquil Team's expansion into a new market. On any design, the team can select the Localized tool, selecting the new market or specific language they want to update this content to. Picsart isn't just translating text, but also localizing any imagery to better support conversion in the new location it's being published. Next, the team needs to create new variations of existing high-performing ads, a process which used to take hours, if not days. But with Picsart, using the variations tool, choosing from a website or CSV data, mapping that data against the existing design, and then watching as the platform does all the hard work, going from one design to 50 ready-to-publish variants in a few moments.